Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the carriage looks like in Heartopia, the Starry Wheel. So you'll need 200,000 purchase points. As you can see, I only have 3,900 because I am not rich enough to get that many points. Like, if you convert that to actual money, I can't. But someone is very generous and kind enough to let people try out the carriage. So I'm just going to visit their town and basically show you the carriage, I guess. So the person also had this and I just turned the button on, and I must say I've never been jealous of somebody my entire life. Like, this is absolutely so beautiful, and like this is the effect you get once you're done pressing it. It will like leave a celestial glow around you and you can kind of like walk around with it. So this is what the carriage looks like. It's super pretty and I love the like twinkling sparkly noise it makes when we're driving it. And the steering wheel, you can't see it in this video, is like a celestial kind of thing. I don't really know how to explain it to you guys. And I think there was a version where they took the top off. I didn't know how they did it though. But this is what it looks like. It's super pretty, and if you have this, you're lucky. And it can fit up to 4 people. That's the first vehicle in Heartopia that can fit 4 people as well. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!